Hi, I'm Mark Govan with ABC Pest Control, and one of the questions we get asked quite often is how to get rid of black ants. Well, first thing that we really need to do is to identify what type of ant you have. That's why we use the microscope. Microscopes are very handy in identifying what type of ant you have because what it can tell us is if it's a carbohydrate feeding ant or if it's a protein feeding ant. Now, what does that have to do with ant control? Well, when you want to control ant, you have to know whether to bait an ant, which means you want to draw them to the bait, or if you want to repel an ant and get rid of the ants from the structure. And we can do that through two types of different products, either baits or repellents. And once we find out what type of ant it is, all we have to do is pick the right product to use, and we can get rid of that ant. So it's very, very important that when you have an ant that you need to have identified, you can always take it down to your local pest control company and have them properly identify it, and they can recommend a proper product for you. That way you're not putting something out that really doesn't need to be used in the environment. Of course, you are listening to Mark Govan with ABC Pest Control in Largo, Florida, hoping you have a pest-free day.